Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare case coins for you all today. Let's start. 89 Hyderabad UNC condition, 200 rupees. 90 Hyderabad, 100 rupees. 85 Kolkata, 100. Rural Woman BU condition Mumbai Mint, 200. Sant Dhaneshwar Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Grow More Food Mumbai UNC 200. '91 Mumbai 100. 57 Mumbai BU condition first 10 paisa, this is 200. 1994 Mumbai 100. National Integration UNC condition. Quit India Kolkata Mint BU condition 800. Water for Life BU condition Mumbai Mint 700. Ghost image also there. K Kamaraj Hyderabad Mint BU condition 400. Water for Life Kolkata Mint UNC condition 200. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee BU condition Kolkata Mint 600. This is 1 rupee. 84 Mumbai, 85 Mumbai and 86 Mumbai set for 300 rupees. ₹300 set. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint 50 paise UNC 200. 1989 Hyderabad Mint 25 paise 20 paise 100 rupees. 100 rupees each. 86 Mumbai 100 UNC condition. Jawaharlal Nehru English Legend Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Hindi Legend 100. 2002 Noida Mint 100. 74 Mumbai BU condition 100. 75 Mumbai BU 100. This is also 100. Indira Gandhi BU condition Mumbai Mint. See, this is a clear lion variety. You can see the clear lion here. Indira Gandhi coin always comes with flat lion on the chest. This is a clear line only for 200, normal coin price only. 1976 Kolkata Mint single mint coin 300 UNC condition. World Food Day Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200 each. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Kolkata Mint UNC 200. ICDS Mumbai BU 300. Mahatma Gandhi UNC Kolkata Mint 200. Mumbai Mint 200. 200 rupees each. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint BU 300. Commonwealth Game Noida Mint BU 200. Hyderabad 200. Plan Family Kolkata Mint BU case coin only for 200. Mumbai Mint 200. Quit India Movement BU Mumbai Mint 300. (2003) Hyderabad Mint BU 100. 100. Food and Environment Noida Mint UNC condition 600. Ambedkar Mumbai Mint BU 200. Small Farmers Mumbai Mint BU 300. Youth Year Kolkata Mint UNC 500. Gandhi 1 rupee Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. 300 rupees each. Biodiversity Mumbai Mint BU 400. Tukaram Noida Mint UNC 300. Tukaram Hyderabad Mint UNC 300. Tamil Conference Noida Mint BU 600. Railways Mumbai Mint BU 200. Tamil Conference Mumbai Mint BU 500. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint UNC 300. Veer Durga Das Hyderabad Mint BU 400. Food and Environment Mumbai Mint BU 400. Food and Work Mumbai Mint BU 300. Food and Shelter Mumbai Mint BU 200. Small Family BU Mumbai Mint 500. Fisheries Kolkata Mint UNC 300. Jawaharlal Nehru Mumbai Mint UNC 200. ILO UNC Mumbai Mint 800. Mother's Health Noida Mint Extra Fine Condition 400. Half rupee 46 Mumbai Mint with mild rotation only for 400. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Noida Mint UNC 300. Jawaharlal Nehru Kolkata Mint English Legend UNC 200. Hindi Legend UNC 100. Mother's Health Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition. Check the mint mark, clear mint mark and clear face, everything you can check. AUNC condition Hyderabad Mint only for 600. Equality for Development Kolkata Mint 300. Agri Expo Kolkata Mint AUNC condition. This is a rare coin in Kolkata Mint. In Mumbai Mint is rare. This is a very rare in Kolkata Mint. You can check this. Clear lion is there. Most of the Kolkata Mint lion doesn't get printed. Here proper lion. See the details. AUNC details only for 800 rupees. Safe for Development Mumbai Mint BU condition 600. Happy Child Hyderabad Mint BU 700. World Food Day Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 500. Quarter rupee Mumbai Mint 46 UNC condition 300. Quarter rupee 1947 Mumbai Mint for 300. If you want both set for, you can take for 500. 1990 Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 300. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 400. ICDS Hyderabad Mint, UNC for 700. Cellular Jail Noida Mint, AUNC condition, 300. 77 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. This is a rare coin, 700. BU condition Mahatma Gandhi, 50 paise, Mumbai Mint. Very difficult in this Mumbai Mint rotation. See the rotation here, more than a 1.5 hour rotation is there. Only for 700 rupees, not easily available this rotation. Khadi Village Mumbai Mint, BU condition, rare coin, 1700. See the clear line. FAO Mumbai Mint, BU condition, only for 1200. See the lion, clear lion, lion face. In this lion face doesn't get printed. See here the lion face is there, only for 1200. Tilak Key steel coin, BU condition, Mumbai Mint. See the clear face, clear head, clear line. This is a copper nickel die used on this, only for 2100. World Food Day Mumbai Mint, BU condition, for 700. Youth Year Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 400. World Food Day Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 700. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Noida Mint with clear mint mark. You can see the clear mint mark. Only for 1200. Clear line, clear mint mark, only for 1200. Agri Expo Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, 800. Food for Future Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 800. Some 50 paise, 1971 Kolkata, 100. 70 Kolkata, 100. 69 Mumbai, 200. 68 Mumbai, 200. 67 Mumbai, 200. 63 Mumbai, 200. 62 Kolkata, 200. 62 Mumbai, 200. 61 Mumbai, 200. Forestry for Development, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 900. 1940 Mumbai Mint, UNC, George 6, only for 1200. 1962 Kolkata Mint, single mint coin, only for 1400. 1943, this is a large head variety. You can see the head variety. This is Mumbai Mint. This is rare. This is not normal 43. It's a large head variety 43. Only for 2000. 1942 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 1000. 1945 Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 1200. 1947 Lahore UNC condition 1400. 45 Lahore Mint UNC 1500. 25th anniversary Mumbai Mint BU condition. See the clear legends, clear face, everything. Only for 2800. 2005 cross coin, rare coin. This is BU condition. Only for 3200. See the condition. See the disc effect. And there is Mahatma Basveshwar. This is from the packet. Single mint coin, copper nickel. See the condition. Only for 100 rupees each. And there are some 5 rupees I have. This is 5 rupees commemorative, and some this mix definitive I have. All this coin for only 700 rupees. If you go to buy each coin, these only will cost 100. This also will, some will cost 150. So this is a good deal. Some will cost 200 here each. 700 for all this. I think 13 coins are there. Lion variety, Basveshwar lion variety, Mumbai Mint. You can see 3D lion and the tall lion. Only for 300 rupees. '91 parliamentary UNC set. This is only for 800. See the lion, different lion. You always check lion chest, then you will come to know. There's a big middle line is there on the chest. See, not there. 800 rupees. Bholu Mumbai Mint UNC set. This is lion variety. C lion, C1 lion and C2 lion. See the gap between Ashoka. See the gap between Ashoka. Closer the gap is C1 lion, far is C2 lion. Only for 400 rupees normal coin price. All this lion set I am giving as a normal coin price only. I am not charging anything extra. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.